Walsall tenants looking for a 4-bedroom house in a perfect location for commuting or access to supermarkets and the town centre. I think we found you the ideal property. Behind me is a 4-bedroom semi-detached house. The address is actually Wallows Lane. Junction 9 is about 400-500 yard kind of walk to this direction. The town direction, or actually behind us over there. In several locations, it's convenient for several factors. So without further ado, we'll take you through and do a walkthrough video tour as we do with our videos, and hopefully you get a better idea of what this property has to offer. So as you see, several cars can be parked at the front. The driveway has been block paved. There's a garage to your left hand side, which you can also access from the inside as well. So you walk into the entrance hallway, a very nice, impressive and spacious. Let's just close the door. And from this hallway, you've got stairs going up to the first floor. You've got this, we'll show you in a second, which is a, actually let's open it now. It's a downstairs shower room. So you've got your, obviously WC wash and basin, and the shower enclosure has got an electric shower. So this is in addition to the family bathroom, which is upstairs. Here we have a downstairs, kind of understairs cupboard where hats, cloaks and shoes. You can place all those types of things there. Okay. And if we just close this door out. So stairs to the first floor, and then you come along here. The property's been extended, obviously that part's the extension of the house, and you come into the main lounge area. A really good, spacious place where you can kind of configure this how you'd like to. There's lots of options being the size that it is. So there's TV point over there. There's a BT OpenReach point there as well. You can also put the TV over there if you like, in that corner, and probably have your seating along here. One thing you don't have to do is the dining room is separate. So therefore you don't have to kind of place a dining table or worry about that, because the dining room is off the kitchen on that side. So here in this cupboard we have the electric meter and the gas meter. Okay. There's lots of sockets on each wall, door sockets over here, door sockets here, extensions over here. You know, like I said, you can configure this room how you wish. So going through this room is the engine room of any house, which is the kitchen. You've got an integrated oven hob, really good quality kitchen here today. You know, you've got all these soft closing hinges and stuff with the drawers and cupboards. You've got the integrated oven and gas hob, and you've got a space there for the washing machine. That door over there would fit onto there after you put your washing machine in. So fridge, freezer would probably go in this location over here, and yeah, that's your lot in terms of the kitchen. And if we go straight out through here is your dining room. As I said, this dining room has the combination boiler, and you've got a good size to put a nice dining table for about 6 persons comfortably. Now off here we've got 2 doors. One door goes into the garden. Really good if you're looking to rent out this property. It's a low maintenance garden, compact, manageable. There's a shed at the bottom for your storage, and I nearly clothesline myself on the clothesline. So a bit of storage space for your storage as well. I'll just get out of the way to show you. Okay. if you're thinking about garden space and you're thinking, oh, where are my children going to play? Parks around here are everywhere. If you just cross the road, just next to, on the other side of the bridge, you've got the Broadway playing fields. Just cross the road and it's over there. So you don't have to worry about that aspect of your family life and living space here. Integral garage, where you can go in and basically there's electric points, where you've got on this wall over here, you've got sockets. You've got sockets over there as well, where you can add, fridge freezers or freezers. And obviously, nowadays garages are just, everyone's kind of using it for storage rather than putting a car in. So that's your downstairs space, ample living space, really functional in every sense of the word, and just lends itself perfectly for family accommodation. Okay, so if we now take you upstairs. House, as you can see, decorations good enough. You've got flooring, laminate all downstairs, and now we go with the carpets upstairs. It's just ready to go. Come on and plunk your furniture down and you're ready to go. So you'll be surprised to learn that these are double bedrooms. All of them are double, although I might just for the sake of space, use that as a single room rather than swallowing it all up with a bed. But you can see where from the furniture indentation, there was a bed this way, I believe. The bed was over here in that corner. And then there was lots of furniture, desk and stuff over there. This is a really good space. Now, the other thing I think, to address a concern is that road noise. You're thinking it's main road, I'm going to hear a lot of noise. Actually, the noise is very minimal. I don't know if you can hear it. These are triple glazing, you call them? I think you call them triple glazing. So these windows have been installed with that in mind, that there will be a lot of road noise. So that you don't have to worry about here as well. It's really, really quiet, unexpectedly kind of quiet. This is the small room I was talking about. Now, the smallest out of the three, I should say, rather. Still, if you really wanted to squeeze a double bed in here, you could squeeze a double bed, but then obviously wouldn't leave you much space. You can see from, again, furniture indentation, there was some kind of a dresser or a table over there, and there was a bed over here. So again, it's a good size. Generally with a semi-detached, there's always a box room. So if I just get past you now. There are no box rooms over here. The next one we'll show you is the bathroom. This is the family bathroom. Obviously we've got one bathroom and toilet downstairs, and this is the family bathroom upstairs. You've got a shower fitment working off the combination boiler over there. Obviously a wash and basin with a vanity unit and WC. This is 2 bedrooms at the back, bathroom, and 2 bedrooms at the front. And this is the rear bedroom, the second rear bedroom. The double bed is already here, so I don't have to ask you to use your imagination. You can see that double bed fits here very comfortably. There was furniture indentation over here as well. I think that was probably where the wardrobe kind of went. It's a good size room. So if you just want to go into that room, this is the master bedroom, we'd call it. The largest in the house, hence would call this a master bedroom. So you can see this one actually goes from the end of the house to halfway down the hall. You can see how big and how spacious this is. This is an exceptional master bedroom. I mean, if the previous people had their wardrobes over here, lots of light. You got this kind of small window coming out through here and that big window there. And then you put the bed over there. You can put I think the previous people had, if you look at that furniture indentation, there's a couple of steps over here. I think they had like a window seat type thing, like a what do you call them now? Now I've got stuck for words. a chase lounge, isn't it? That's what it's called, a chase lounge. So this is where we end our video tour. I hope it's given you a good flavour of what this property has to offer. Honestly, it's an exceptional property. First to see, we'll definitely rent it. It will be on our website. All the links will be in the description of this video. If it is available, you click on the link and it will take you to our website, which will tell you the status of the property, whether it's been let or whether it is still available to let. So please make your inquiries, either phone us, register on our website. There's various ways of communicating with us, and we hope to see you on the other side of this video. Take care and all the best. Bye.